Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the second topic in logical reasoning. Last time we talked about coding, decoding, and different types of series, trying to find the missing numbers. Today we are going to talk about directions. So let us dive in. As you know, that these are the directions that we have, right? We have the north, we have the south, east, west, then northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay, we all know these directions. Now, what are the type of sums that we have here is they will ask you in which direction are you from the starting point, or which direction is one city from the other, or which direction is one monument from the other. These type of sums you will get. For the first part, where we are talking in terms of one person, when he is traveling, how he is traveling. So in that case, what happens? We have to move that person, and we have to think about as if you are traveling, as if I am traveling. No, so if I do that, it becomes easier for me. Now, let me first show you what are the basic ways in which you should remember. Okay, suppose this is you. Okay, and this is your back. Okay, this is your back. So this, you have your hair on your head. In that case, what happens? You are facing north. Okay, you are facing north. Then this is your left arm and this is your right arm. So in that case, your left arm is in the west direction and your right arm is towards the east direction. Okay, so when I'm sitting like this, if north is in front of me, my right hand is going to be in the east and my left hand is going to be in the west. Now what happens when this is the case? Suppose they say that a person is traveling towards the north, then he moves to the west. Okay, so north means he's traveling upwards and west means he's traveling to the left hand side. So left and west you should know. Okay, then there is another case, in which case the person is facing south. Okay, he is facing south. Then what happens? This will be his left arm and this will be his right arm. Okay, so you must know this difference, that I am facing north and I am facing south. Also, then also remember that south to west, I'm going clockwise, west to north, north to east, and east to south. Okay, so remember one direction, it becomes easier for you to find how, whenever we ask the directions, you must know. Okay, now when we are talking in these terms, remember that you are supposed here. Okay, always think of yourself as here, and then to the north, to the east, to the south, to the southeast. Okay, so between north and northeast, north and east is the northeast. Between east and south is the southeast. South and west, this is the southwest. And west and north, there is the northwest. Okay, so these are the directions you must know, and you must remember that this happens. Okay, so now when we are talking in terms of going, the person travels to the left. Okay, so when I'm saying the person is traveling to the left, so I'm going in this direction, left. So what happens when I'm going in the left direction like this? It means I'm traveling towards the west. What happens when the person is going down and then he has to go to the left? In this case, when the person is going down, going south, and then he goes to the left, then his left is on this side, then his left is on this side, and so we will show it in this direction. When the person is facing in front, okay, towards the north, he moves like this. Okay, he moves like this, And then when you say he moves to the left, you go this way. But when the person is standing like this and he's moving towards the south, then he moves to the left. That means you're going on this side. Okay. So these are the simple tricks in which you will be able to do this. In case you have a problem when he's going to the south and this, just use, you're sitting there, just take the paper and try to move the paper in that direction. Then also you will be able to understand. Even right now also you can try it, so that in the exam also you can do that, you're shifting the paper and going in that direction. Okay? Clear till now? Yes, Shambhavi, Nyanesh, Nikita, Mansi, Archana, Abhinav, Harshita, Bhumika, Karma. Very good. Vidya, Chandan, Mayur, Jasprit. Very good that you are understanding this and you are there fully immersed in this chapter. Now, Mohan, let us go to the exercise. Okay, this is 10A exercise that we are going to do. Now, Mohan starts from a point A and walks 1 kilometer to the south. Okay, just now I was telling you about it. Okay, I was telling you that when this person is walking towards the south, this person is walking towards the south. When I say he moves to the left, it means here it will happen like this. Only when he is moving to the south, and when I say he moves to the left, he will go towards the east direction. Okay. Now Mohan starts walking from point A. Okay, this is my point A, and walks 1 kilometer to the south. Okay, so 1 kilometer to the south. And he then turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Okay, he turns left and walks 1 kilometer. Okay, always put in the arrow so that you understand which direction he is going, and walks 1 kilometer. Then he turns left. Now here he is. This is his left. Okay, when he was moving to the south, this was his left. When he is traveling this side, this is his left. Okay, and he moves to the left and walks 1 kilometer. Okay, so that means he is in this direction. Now he is facing which direction? Now he is facing which direction? Can you see here? Which direction is this? Okay, this is my north. Okay, when this is my north, which direction is this? This is also north. So my answer is C, north. Okay, I will just repeat it for you. First question, A, I'm standing here. The person, Mohan, is moving towards, starts from point A and walks 1 kilometer to the south. Okay, once he's moving towards the south, this is his left. So this is 1 kilometer he has moved. Then he turns left, okay, because this is his left direction, because he's going towards the south direction. Okay, then he goes left 1 kilometer, and then again he turns left. So here this is his left. Okay, and then he turns 1 kilometer and he goes this way. And which is this direction? This is the north direction. Is that clear? Now let us go to the next sum. Suresh starts from a point and walks 2 miles towards south. Okay, Suresh walks. We are doing the second sum. Suresh starts and walks 2 miles towards the south. Okay, this is 2 miles towards the south. Once he is moving towards the south, this is his left. He turns right. Okay, he turns right and walks 1.5 kilometers. Okay, he turns right and walks 1.5 kilometers. Because this is his left, obviously this will be his right. And walks half kilometers. Sorry, half kilometers. And then he turns back. And then he turns back. Just let me rub this. Okay. So Suresh starts walking from a point, walks 2 miles towards south. That we did this, and this is his left direction. Then he turns right. So he will turn right here. Okay. So he turns right and walks 1.5 kilometers or miles. Sorry. Then he turns left. Now he is this side. Okay. He is facing this side, which will be his left. This is his left. This is his right. He turns left and walks half mile. He turns left and walks half mile. Now, then he turns back. So he's going this direction, but he turns back. So what will happen now? He's turning back. So instead of this direction, what will be his direction? This direction. Okay, he's turning back. So which direction is he facing? He's facing this direction, and we know this is north. Okay, so which direction is he facing? He's facing north. So D will be the correct answer. Okay, let us go to the next sum. A man starts from a point. Okay, a man starts from a point, walks 4 miles towards north. Okay, let me keep him here. Okay, a man starts from a point and walks 4 miles to the north. Okay, north is this direction. So this he is going 4 miles. And which is his left? This is his left. And turns left and walks 6 miles. So he turns left and walks 6 miles. Okay. So he is going in this direction. Which is his left? This is his left. Turns right and walks 3 miles. Turns right and walks 3 miles. Okay. He turns right. He walks 3 miles. Again, now he is here. So this will be his left. Okay. So this is his left. So he turns, walks 3 miles and again turns right and walks 4 miles. Okay. So he's walking this way. 4 miles. Turns right and walks 4 miles and takes rest for 30 minutes. He gets up and walks straight 2 miles in the same direction and turns right and walks 1 mile. Okay, so he gets up and walks 2 miles. So he is over here. Okay, this distance is 4 and this distance 6 and this distance is 4. From here, he is again walking 2 miles. Okay, he is walking 2 miles. Then what happens? So he is walking 2 miles. Which is his left? This is his left, right? He walks straight 2 miles in the same direction. Okay, very important, same direction, and turns right. Now he's turning right. He's here left, then he turns right. Okay, so he turns right and walks 1 mile. He walks 1 mile. Which direction is he facing? So we want to find this direction. Which is this? This is north. Okay, this is my north. And which direction am I facing right now? Okay, this is my direction I'm facing. Which is this direction? This is my south. Okay, so where am I facing? 3, answer B, south. Yes, I will repeat this for you. Yes, don't worry. What is happening here? I'm standing over here. Okay. A man starts from a point, walks 4 miles towards north. Just pay attention what is given. So he is walking 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Towards north. Which is his left? This is his left. Okay. Turns left and walks 6. Okay. Turns left and walks 6. So this is 6. This is 4. Then, and now he's here. So what is happening? This is his left. He turns left and walks 6 miles. We have completed. This was the first. This was the second change. What is the third change? Turns right and walks 3 miles. This is his left, but he's turning right and walking 3 miles. Okay, so turns right and walks 3 miles. Okay, because this is his left, this is his right, he's walking 3 miles. Okay, so he's like here. So where is his left? This is his left. Okay, this is his left. Then again turns right. Okay, so this is my third thing. And again turns right. So here again I have fourth. Turns right and walks 4 miles. Okay, so from here I have to walk 4. This is 4. What is happening here? They have given this additional information. He takes rest and then for 30 minutes. That is not relevant to me. Okay, takes rest for 30 minutes has nothing to do with my question. He gets up. Now I have to pay attention. He gets up and walks straight 2 miles in the same direction. This is the most important thing. He's not changing direction. He sat over here and now he's walking again from this point. Okay. So again from this point, important thing is this. In the same direction. This fifth point is important. He moves 2 kilometers, 2 miles in the same direction and turns right. Okay, so he's moving like this. Where is his left? This is his left. And now what is happening? He's turning right. Okay. This is the 6th point. He turns right and walks 1 mile. He turns right and walks 1 mile. Okay. So in which direction is it? This is my north, and because this is facing, he's facing south. So I'm saying he's south. So third, B will be the answer. Understood till here? Okay, I'm taking it slowly so that you get the idea of how these sums are. Yes, Akashmir, very good. Omisha, Mohammed, very good. Kadir, you want 59 sum? Okay. I will take it in the next time. Yeah, I forgot to put the question right now. But if we find the time, I'll take it today or I will take it next time. Okay, don't worry. I will solve it for you. Yeah, very good. Very good. Chandan, Barna. Yes, Bhumika. Okay, now let us go to the next sum. What is the next sum saying? Arun starts from point A and walks 10 kilometers east. Okay, so I'm here. Arun is here. He walks 10 kilometers to the east. Okay, this is my east, because see, always whenever you have this type of sums, just put it over here. This is my north. Just a moment. This is my north. This is my east. This is my west, and this is my south. Okay, put the arrow to the north so that you have a reference. Okay, so Arun is walking towards the east. So when the person is facing north, then when he wants to walk east, he will go in the right hand side. Okay, so he moves to the east 10 kilometers to the point B and then turns north and walks 3 kilometers. Turns north and walks 3 kilometers. So where is his left? This is his left. Okay, but here what they are talking in terms of direction. So 10 kilometers in the east direction, 3 kilometers in the north direction. Okay, and walks, then turns to north and walks 3 kilometers to the point C. So this is C. and then turns west. So where will be the west? West will be on the left hand side. So he moves left and turns west and walks 12 kilometers to the point D. Okay, so this is 10 kilometers. He is moving more from there. Okay, so 12 kilometers to the west to the point D, and then again turns south, and then again turns south and walk 3 kilometers to the point E. Again turn south. See, this is also 3 kilometers. So this distance will be 3 kilometers to the south. Okay, so where is he pointing? He's pointing to this direction, to the point E. Okay, to the point E. In which direction is he from the starting point? Where is the starting point? Here. Okay. This is my starting point. And where am I? Here. So Arun is here. Where is he now? He is here. Which direction? This is to his left. Okay. This is to Arun's left is the west. Okay. Arun's left is to the from the original point. Arun was standing here. That time, which direction was this? This direction. And so, this is the west direction. Okay. This is the west direction. So, here I kept on writing 10 kilometers to the east, then 3 kilometers to the north, 12 kilometers to the west, and 3 kilometers to the south. Okay. Because he started walking 10 kilometers to the east. This is my first. Then turned north. Okay. So, this is my second. Walked 3 kilometers and then turned west. This is my third to the point D, and then turned south, fourth to the point E. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. Is that clear? Okay, so fourth C is the answer. Now let us move to the fifth sum. A started from a point. A started from the point and walk 5 kilometers to the north. Which is my north? This is my north. So he traveled 5 kilometers to the north. This is his direction. This is his left hand side. Then turned left and walked 3 kilometers. Turned left and walked 3 kilometers. Then again. So this is his left. Okay. Then again turn left. So he's moving from here and walk 5 kilometers. Okay, so here again 5 kilometers to the left. Point out the direction in which he is going now. Which direction is he going now? He's going towards the south. So he is going towards the south. So B will be the correct answer. Okay. So A starts from the point, walks 5 kilometers north, first point. Then turns left, walks 3 kilometers, point 2. Then again turns left. This is my third. So these are the 3 places. Here they have mixed both. They are also talking about walking in terms of directions, north, south, east, west, and also in terms of left and right. Okay. Now let us take the next sum. What does the next sum say? A rat ran to 20 kilometers towards east. This is first. And turns to the right and runs 10 kilometers, second point. Turns to right, runs 9 kilometers, point 3. Again turns to the left, runs 5 kilometers, fourth. Then turns left, runs 12 kilometers, 5. Finally turns to the left and runs 6 kilometers, 6. Now, which direction is the rat facing? This is a very active rat. He is moving left and right, east and west. Okay, so let us see where he is going right now. Okay, this is the rat here. He is moving 20 kilometers towards the east. Which is the east? East is to the right. Okay. So he is moving 20 kilometers to the east. Okay, this is his left direction. This is his left direction. Then turns right, runs 10 kilometers. Turns right and runs 10 kilometers. Okay, so 10 kilometers to the right. So he's like here. So this is his left. And turns right, runs 9 kilometers. Turns right and runs 9 kilometers. This is my 20 kilometers, so half the distance nearly. So 9, he moves to the right. Okay, this is his direction. Where is his left? This is his left. Turns right, runs 9 kilometers, and again turns left, runs 5 kilometers. So he turns left and runs 5 kilometers. Okay, so he's moving in this direction. Where is his left? This is his left. And then turns left and then turns left and moves left, runs 12 kilometers. So this is his left. He's moving from here. This is 9 kilometers and then further ahead, this is 12 kilometers. So he's turning left and moving 12 kilometers and finally turns left. Where is his left? Here it is left. Finally turns left and runs 6 kilometers. So this is 5 kilometers and then this. In which direction is the rat facing? He is facing this direction. Which is this direction? This is the north direction. Okay, so north will be the answer. Okay, understood till here? Okay, Shiba, I will check the log question that you have asked. I will check and let you know. Okay. Nikita, you want me to repeat question 4? Okay. Yes. Okay, question 4. Arun starts from a point and walks 10 kilometers to the east. Okay. So Arun is standing over here. Okay, this is the 4th question. Nikita, please pay attention. He walks 10 kilometers to the east. Okay, 10 kilometers to the east to the point B and then turns north. Okay, so this direction is north. Okay, so this is north and walks 3 kilometers. Okay, so he moves to the north and walks 3 kilometers. Then to the point C. So A to B, B to C. Okay, so he's reached C and then turns west. So west is where? This side. Okay, so this is my north, this is my east, this is my west, and this is my south. Okay, then walks west 12 kilometers. This is 10 kilometers. He's moving ahead from there. Okay, it's moving ahead from there. So he moves west. How much? 12 kilometers to the west and to the point D. What is this point? This point is D and then again turns south. So which is south? This direction. So he moves south. How much does he walk? He walks 3 kilometers. Okay, this is also 3. This is also 3. So in which direction is he facing? From his start point. Okay, so in this question, they are asking, see, it's very important that you see what the question. He is from the start point. The start point word is very important. If we are asking only in terms of direction, he is facing which direction? He is facing the south direction. Okay, he is facing the south direction, but they are asking where was his starting point? This is his starting point. Now, in respect to starting point, which direction is it this? This is the west direction. This is the west direction. Okay, that is why the answer is west. Okay, so the word is very important from the start point. In the 5th question, what was this asking? In which direction is he going now? Going now, that is why this is the south direction. Okay, clear, Nikita? Now let us move to the next sum. Okay, Mandal, Bhumika. See what is happening in question 6. Okay, you have to just see because you can see that the rat is moving very fast. Okay, I'll just show it again. You have to just follow. You have to just see how many times in the question, if you mark as I've told you, you will not have a problem. Okay. What is happening? A rat is running. Let me change the color. A rat is standing over here. Okay. The rat is over here. It is going 20 kilometers to the east. 20 kilometers to the east. This should be a straight line. Okay. So he is moving 20 kilometers to the east. Okay. Then, and once he is over here, this is his left hand side. Okay. Then he turns left and walks 3 kilometers. Then he turns, not here. A rat runs 20 kilometers to the east and turns right and runs 10 kilometers. So first point is 20 kilometers, second point is 10 kilometers. So where is he moving? He is moving to the right. This is his left. So where will he go? He will go like this. This is 10 kilometers, okay, to the right and turns to the right. Now he is here. So which is his left? This is his left. Once I know which is his left, I can see. And turns right, runs 9 kilometers. This is 20 kilometers. Where is he going? He is going only 9 kilometers. Okay. So he moves 9 kilometers. Okay. From here. So third is 9 kilometers. 9 kilometers to the right. Then again, so once he's here, which direction is left? This is his left direction. Again turns left. So fourth is what? He turns left and runs 5 kilometers. Okay, so this is 5 kilometers to the left and runs 12 kilometers and finally then turns left. Okay, so here he is. Okay, he is here and this is his left. Okay. Then turns left, runs 12 kilometers. Okay, this is his left. So this is 9 kilometers till here. So this is 9 and he's traveled 12 kilometers. So he'll move a little further. So this is 12 kilometers. Okay. Now he's here. Which is his left direction? This is. And finally turns left and runs 6 kilometers. So he's moving from here. This is already 5 kilometers and then he's moving 6 kilometers. So this in this direction, this is 6 kilometers. And they are asking what direction is the rat facing? Which direction is this? This is the north direction. Okay. In questions and direction, forget about whether he had breakfast, lunch, dinner. That is not important. Which direction is he facing once he starts moving is the important thing. Okay. Okay, so driver left his village and drove north for 20 kilometers. This is important. After which he stopped for breakfast. This is not important. Then he turned left and drove another 30 kilometers. This is important. Where he stopped for lunch is not important. After some rest, he again turned left and drove 20 kilometers. This is my third important point. Before stopping for evening tea is not important. Once more, he turned left and drove for 30 kilometers. This is important. And reached the town where he had supper. After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? Okay. Now, he's standing over here. He moves north 20 kilometers. Okay. 20 north. So this is his left hand side. After which he stopped. Then he turned left. So this is important. See, I've already cut out that. He turned left and drove another 30 kilometers. So left 30 kilometers. Okay. Moving left. So this is his left. After some time, he turned left and drove 20 kilometers. Okay, so he turned left and drove 20 kilometers. So where is his left? This is his left. Once again, he turned left. Okay, once again, he turned left and drove 30 kilometers. Okay, he drove 30 kilometers. Once more, he turned. After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? They are not asking from in which direction is he from the starting point. They're just asking where is he moving. So which direction he's moving towards his right. Moving towards the right means what? He's moving towards the east. So east will be the answer. Okay. So he traveled here. What did he have here? If you're comfortable with that. So he had his breakfast here. Then he turned 30 kilometers. He had his lunch here. Okay. After rest, he turned left and walked 20 kilometers. So he had his evening tea here. And then he moved 30 kilometers and he had his supper here. But what are they asking? After evening tea, in which direction did he drive? After evening tea, which direction? He is driving in this direction. This direction is what? This is my east direction. Okay. North, south, east, and west. Okay. A man facing east. So see, now in this question, please pay attention. He is facing east. He is already facing east. So this is my direction. Okay. So this is my north. This is my east. He is already facing east. Okay. If he is facing east, what will happen? Okay. When the person is facing east, what happens? On to his left side is the north, and onto his south side, onto his right side, you have south. Okay. So he is facing east. So then onto the left will be north and onto the right will be south. Okay. He is facing east. Then he turns left and goes 10 kilometers. Okay. This is first important point. This is the second important point. He goes 10 meters, then turns right, goes 5 meters. This is third point. Then goes 5 meters to the south, fourth point. And from there, 5 meters to the west. So this is in which direction is he from his original place. Now they want it in terms of where he was originally and where he is now. So this new place, how is it with relation to the starting point, where he was and now where he is. Okay. So let us take this example. So he is over here. Okay. He turns left. The man is facing east. He turns left and goes 10 meters. So I told you left means he's going north 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters. Now this is his left. Then he turns right and goes 5 meters. Okay, so he's going 5 meters to the right. Now this is his left and goes 5 meters. Then he 10 meters goes right, 5 meters. Then goes 5 meters to the south. So he's moving to the south. Okay, 5 meters to the south. Now where is his left? This is his left. And from there 5 meters to the west. From there 5 meters to the left. Five meters to the west. In which direction is he? Okay, in which direction is he? Which direction is he? Yes. So he is in which direction? He is in west direction, right? Okay. No, he is here. Okay, he is. Just let me show it in the color. Where is he reached? He is reached here. Where is his starting point? He was starting point. Which direction is he from the starting point? Okay, very important. From his original place, he is in the north direction. Okay. Even though he is reached here, so in respect of the starting point, where is he? He is in the north direction. Okay. Okay, I will just explain this again. This person is standing over here. What has happened? He is facing east. And then they are saying he turns left and goes 10 kilometers. He's facing like this. He's going to this direction. He's going to his left. He's going 10 kilometers, 10 meters here. So he moves 10 meters here. Okay, this is 10 meters. Because I told you, when once a person is facing east, on the left will be his north. Okay, so 10. This is his left direction. He turns left and goes 10 meters. Okay, then he turns right and goes 5 meters. So this is 5 meters. 5 meters. Then he goes 5 meters to the south. Okay, he's going to the south. So 5 meters to the south. 5 meters here, he went to his right. Here they are saying 5 meters to the south. And from there he goes 5 meters to the west. Okay, fifth point. 5 meters is this much distance. This is also 5 meters. Okay. So from here he goes to this direction. Now they are asking. Okay, he's reached here. In which direction is he from his original place? Original place is here. Now he is here. So he is north of the original place. North of original place. Okay. So this is the way you are supposed to do it. So just be careful when you are writing the distances. Okay, so you will be able to understand which how much distance he is traveled. So make the line same. Okay, when it is 5 kilometers here, like in this case, this is also 5 kilometers. Okay, and this is also 5 kilometers. So you can see the structure that it is forming. Understood till here? Yeah. Good, Bhumika. Good. Yes, Chandan. Chandan also got it correct. Yeah. From her home, Prerna wishes to go to school. From her own home, Prerna wishes to go to school. So she's standing over here. She wishes to go to school. From home, she goes towards north. Okay, she goes towards north and then turns left and then turns right. And finally, she turns left and reaches school. Okay. Which direction is her school situated with respect to her home? So if suppose Prerna is standing over here, from home she moves towards the north. Okay, so she's moving here. This is her left. Then turns left. Okay, then turns left. So she's turning here. This is my north direction. Okay, I will just show it here. North, south, east, and west. She turns left, and then once she's turned left, where is her left? Here it is her left. She turns right. So she moves like this. Okay. Now where is her left? This is her left. And finally turns left and reaches school. So she's turning left. So she's moving here. Okay. And this is her school. And this is her home. Now, which direction is this? Now, can you see? This is my north. And this is my west. So, which direction is this? This is my northwest. So, which direction is she moving? She's moving. Which direction is her school situated with respect to her home? This is her home. Okay. This is her home. And this is her school. Right? Can you see? This is her home. And this is her school. So which direction is this? This direction, that is the northwest direction. A child walks 25 kilometers to the north. Okay, so he's standing over here. He walks 25 kilometers to the north. Okay, this is the first. Then turns right and walks 40 kilometers. Okay, so where is his left? This is his left direction. Then he turns right and walks 40 kilometers. Okay, so this is 40 kilometers. 40 feet, sorry. 40 feet. Okay, this is 25 feet. This is 40 feet. Let me rub it out. Okay. Then turns right again and walks 45 feet. So this is the third. So he is facing this direction. This is his left. But now they are saying he turns right and walks 45 kilometers. This is 25. And then 20 feet more. So he is walking here. This is his left. How much is this? This is 45. 45 feet. So then he turns left. This is his left. He turns left and walks 20 feet. Then he turns left and walks 20 feet. Okay. So this is his left. So this is his fourth point. He turns left again and walks 20 feet. So fifth. He turns left and walks 20 feet. Okay. This is his left. Finally, he turns left and walks another 20 feet. Finally, he turns left and walks. I'll just change the color now for you to understand. Finally, he turns left. This is his left. He turns left and walks how much? 20. This is also 20. So he will come here. Okay. So he will. This is his final place. This is his starting place. Okay. Okay. So which direction is he from the starting place? Which direction is he? He is towards the east. He is towards the east. This direction is the east. So this is the east. Okay. So what is happening? This is the starting point. Okay, this is the start point, and this is the end point. So start point and end point, what is the relation? In which direction is he from the starting point? He is in the east direction. Okay. Raju facing north and moves 20 kilometers. Okay. Raju is here. He is facing north. Okay. Moves 20 kilometers. He is facing north. He moves 20 kilometers. So he is moving like this. So this is his left. Then he turns right. This is the first thing we have done. He turns right and moves 20 kilometers. So he moves right and moves 20 kilometers. Okay. So he's moving here. This is 20. This is his left. And then he moves 10 kilometers to the northeast. So third is 10 kilometers to the northeast. This is my north, this is my east, and northeast is this direction. So from here, he will move northeast. Okay. How much is he moving? 10 kilometers to the northeast. This is his left direction. Then he turns right and moves 20 kilometers. Then he turns right. So this is his right, and he will move 20 kilometers. Okay. 20 kilometers. Okay, so this is the fourth thing we are doing. Moves 20 kilometers. So he's moving like this. So this is his left. Then he turns right and moves 20 kilometers. And then he turns right and moves 20 kilometers. Okay. So he's moving 20 kilometers to the right. Okay. This is the, and then he turns. So this is his left. And then he turns to his right and moves 20 kilometers again. He turned to his left and moves 20 kilometers. Okay, so fourth, this is his fifth, and then this is his sixth. Okay, so he turned right, moved 20 kilometers. This was your fourth point. Then he moved right, he moved here. So this is the fifth one. And again, now because he's here, where is his left? His left is here. So he moves 20 kilometers. Okay, so he moves 20 kilometers. Okay. Now, which direction is Raju facing? Okay, which direction is Raju facing? Can you tell me? So, this is which direction? This is my south. This is my east. So, which will it be? Southeast. Okay. Right? So, I know this one is tough. So, let me redo this sum for you. What you have to remember is how many times is he turning. Okay. Once you know how many times he is turning, you will be able to make out. So, what is happening here? This is Raju is facing north and he's moving 20 kilometers. Then he's turning to his right, moving 20 kilometers. And then he moves 10 kilometers to the northeast. Okay, so he's moving like this. Then he turns to the right and moves 20 kilometers. Then again to the right, 20 kilometers. And then to his left and moves 20 kilometers. Okay, so what is happening here is that he is facing all these directions and then you have to mark them. Now what is happening here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 things that we have to take care of. Just let me see if I have more space here. Okay. So Raju is here. He's facing north. He's moving 20. Okay, so he moved 20. Then he turned. Okay, just let me write them 1, 2, 3, 4 so that you will understand which point has been covered. So I have covered the first point. Okay, so this is the first point. Okay. Then he turns to the right. Right is this side. Okay. And he moves 20 kilometers. Okay. So 1 and 2. So this is my point 2. This is his left. This is his right. Third is he moves 10 kilometers in the northeast. Okay. So northeast. So he is from here. He is moving this direction. Northeast. Okay. Again, his left is this side and right is, this is his left. This is his right. So where is he going from there? He's going 20 kilometers. Okay, so this is point 4. Okay, this is point 4. This is third. Okay, this is his third and this is his fourth. Okay. Now where is his left? This left is here and moves 20 kilometers. So this is 20 kilometers and then he turns to his right and moves 20 kilometers. Okay, so he turns right and moves 20 kilometers. Okay, so this is his fifth point. Again, he turns to his left and moves 20 kilometers. So this is his left. Okay, so he is this direction. He is moving 20 kilometers here. So this is his sixth. Okay, here this is his sixth. This was his left. So he's moving here. Which direction is this? This is the southeast. Clear? Hope you've understood the sum. Yes, Mayur, very good. Yes. So southeast. Great, you all have understood. That's a very good thing. Okay. K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction. So now let me first put in where the directions are. Okay. So what is happening here? This is my north. This is my south. This is my east. This is my west. This is my northeast. This is my northwest. This is my southwest and this is my southeast. Okay. Now K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction. So from the capital P. So if I have P, first mark P. First mark P. And then you are saying that K is a place which is located 2 kilometers in the northeast. Northwest. Okay, so northwest. So this is my northwest. Okay, this direction. So K is situated over here. R is another place which is located 2 kilometers in the south. Is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. Now see, from P, K is in which direction? Northwest. Okay, from P, K is in which direction? Northwest. So from K, which direction is P? From K, which direction is P? It is in the southeast direction. Okay. From K, which direction is P? It is in the southeast direction. Okay. Now what they are saying is R is another place which is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from K. This is my K. Where is the southwest direction? This direction. So southwest direction from K is what located? R is located. R is located. M is another place and it is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R. This is R. Where is the northwest direction? This direction. Okay. M is another place and that is located 2 kilometers in the northwest direction. So M is in the northwest direction from R. T is yet another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the southwest direction from M. Southwest direction from M is T. In which direction? In which direction? This is my T. In which direction is T located in relation to P? This is my P. Okay. And this is my T. From P to T, which is this direction? This is the west direction. So the answer is C. That is the west direction. Okay. Okay, so let us take a break here. Okay, 5 minutes break and we'll move back and we will do two very interesting sums from here. Okay, Nisarg? Nisarg? Nisarg, we'll take a break. Now Babu is Rahim's neighbor. Okay. And his house is 20 kilometers away in the northwest. Okay. So we have Babu. Oh, this is the. I have Babu over here. Okay. Is Rahim's neighbor and his house is 200 meters away in the northwest direction. Okay. So I have to first take the reference of because here I can see northwest, here I can see southwest. Okay. So I must know the direction. This is my north. This is my northeast. This is my southwest. This is my northwest. This is my southeast. And this is my east. This is my west. And this is my south. Okay, so I've already drawn this for you. Now just let me change the color. Rahim. Okay, Rahim is over here. And Babu's house is 200 meters to the northwest direction. Okay, Rahim and Babu, they are 200 meters to the northwest. Okay, then what happens? Joseph is also Rahim's neighbor. Like we have Babu who is Rahim's neighbor. We have Joseph also who is Rahim's neighbor, and his house is located 200 meters away in the southwest direction. Okay, so this is southwest direction. Where is the southwest? This direction. So Rahim is over here. Southwest direction of Rahim is Joseph. He is also at 200 meters. Is Joseph. Now we are saying Gopal is Joseph's neighbor and he stays 200 meters away in the southeast direction. Okay, so Joseph, we have Gopal who is in the southeast. Where is the southeast? Here. So southeast direction we have Gopal. He is also 200 meters. You have Gopal. Now we are saying that Roy is Gopal's neighbor and his house is located 200 meters away in the northeast direction. In the northeast direction of Gopal, we have Roy. Okay. So now they are asking in where is the position of Roy's house in relation to Babu. Babu is over here and Roy is over here. Which direction is this? You can see from the direction. You just have to see this. Which direction is this? This is southeast. Okay. So we have 13th answer as southeast. Okay. Let us go to the next sum. A tourist drives 10 kilometers towards west and turns to the left. Okay, so this is the first point. 10 kilometers to the west, turns to the left and takes a drive. This is the second important. Turns to the left and takes a drive for another 4 kilometers. Then he drives towards the east. So this is the third kilometer and another 4 kilometers. And then he turns to the right. Okay, so this is his fourth and drives 5 kilometers. Afterwards, he turns to his left. So, and travels 6 kilometers. In which direction is he from the starting point? So, this is important. From the starting point. Okay. So, he is over here. The tourist is over here. He is moving 10 kilometers. Okay. 10 kilometers. So, to the west. So, this is my first point. Okay. Let me just... This is the first point. Okay, so now he is over here. So this is his left and this is his right. He turns left and takes 4 kilometers. So this is his second. Then he drives towards the east. Okay, so this is, now he's talking not in terms of left and right, he's talking in terms of direction. So east is which direction? Is moving to the right. Another 4 kilometers. Okay, so this is his third. And another 4, and then he turns to the right. Okay, so now this is left, he's turning to the right. So he's going here. So this is the fourth thing he's doing. Okay, and drives 5 kilometers. After that, he turns to his left. Over here, this is his left. So where is he going? From here, he's going to the left and traveling 6 kilometers. Okay, so this is how much? 10 kilometers, and this is his 6 kilometers. Okay, and this is his fifth point. Now, which direction is he from the starting point? Okay, so which direction is he from the starting point? Here, you can see he is in the south direction. He is in the south direction because he is in the south direction. Because he is over here, the starting point is here. Because they're asking from the starting point. So which direction is this? This is the south direction. Okay. Now, next sum. Any problem till now? Mayur, I'll take up your question, okay? Very good. Now we have, which sum? We have 15th sum. So what is the 15th sum saying? A man started walking west. Okay, so he started walking west. This is the first step. He turned right. So second step. Then right again. Third step. And finally turned left. Towards which direction was he walking now? Okay. The man is over here. Okay, he's walking west. Okay. So man is walking to the west. So west is in the left direction. Okay, so this is the starting point. He is walking west. This is my point 1. He turns right. So because in this direction, this is my left. He turns right. Okay, and walks. He turns right and then again right. So this is his second point. This is his left hand. So this will be right hand. Again he turns right. So this is the third point. And finally he turns left. Okay. So this is his left. So, and finally turned left. In which direction is he walking now? This direction? Okay. In which direction is he walking now? This direction. Which is this direction? This is the north direction. This is the north direction. So A will be the answer. Okay. He's standing over here. First step, west. Then he's moving right. Okay. Then he's again moving right. Then he's moving left. So which direction? North direction. Okay. So this is how you have to get the answer. Now one evening, Raja started walking towards the sun. Now very, very important here is this. One evening. Where do you see the sun in the evening? In the west direction. Okay, so Raja is walking towards the sun. Means what? Raja is walking towards the west. Raja is walking towards the west. Okay. After a while, so this is the first. After a while, he turned to his right. So this is his second. Turn to his right and again to his right. So third, again to his right. After walking a while, he turned right. Okay. So fourth, he turned right. In which direction is he facing? Now, Raja is standing over here. He's walking towards the sun in the evening. So he's walking here. So this is his left hand side. After walking a while, he turns to his right. So he moves to his right. And again, this is his left. This is his right. Again to his right. And after walking a while, he again moves to the right. Okay. So which direction is he moving? This direction is which direction? This is the south direction. Okay. So you may get this type of questions which you can easily do in the given amount of time, right? Now this is a very important and very interesting question. Just let me first change the color. Okay, they are saying 5 boys A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a park in a circle. Okay, so this is the circle. Okay, I'll draw a bigger circle. Want a bigger one? Okay. So this is the circle. I'm just writing the direction inside the circle for you to easily understand. This is my north. This is my northeast. This is my east. This is my southeast. This is my south. This is my southwest. And this is my west. And this is my northwest. Now, in this questions, you have to be careful. Like they're saying whether he's facing a direction or he has his back towards his direction. Okay, those wordings you have to be careful, because in the next sums you will be seeing why I'm talking about it. So important that this is important is because of this. How many students are there? There are 5 students. Okay, 5 boys. A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a park in a circle. So I've drawn the circle. Inside the circle, I have put in all the directions for you to appreciate. When I make a person sit in one position, you will be able to know why it is that way. Okay. Sorry. A is facing southwest. Where is southwest? Here. This is southwest. A is facing southwest. So A should be here. Because where he's looking towards the southwest. D is facing southeast. D is facing southeast. So here you will have D. B and E are opposite A and D. B is opposite A, so B will be here. And E is opposite D, so E will be here. C is equidistant between D and B. C is equidistant means he is equally away from B as well as D. B is here and D is here. So where will C be? C will be in here, because this distance and this distance are the same. Okay, distance are the same. Distance are same. So this way, which direction is C facing? You can easily tell from here. C is facing which direction? He is facing the east direction. Okay. So this is how you are supposed to do this sum, so that you will not make a mistake, because you have put in all the directions inside the circle. Yes, just breathe. Okay, Vidya. Okay, Vidya. Yeah. If you are not able to see this drawing, just let me show it over here. This is the circle, and then this are the directions. Okay. This is northeast, northwest, southwest, and southeast. A is facing southwest, so A is sitting over here. D is facing southeast, so D is sitting over here. B is sitting opposite A, and E is sitting opposite D. Now they are saying C is sitting between B and D equidistant. So C will be here. Now which direction is C facing? This direction. Which is this direction? This is the east direction. Okay. Clear? A man on a moped starts from a point and rides 4 kilometers south. Then he turns left. Okay, so he starts on a moped from a point and rides 4 kilometers to the south. So this is his first point. He then turns left and rides 2 kilometers and turns again to the right to go more towards which direction is he moving. Okay, a little spelling or grammar is incorrect, rather not the spelling, grammar. A man on a moped starts from a point. So let me take a point over here, and he moves 4 kilometers to the south. Okay, so 4 kilometers to the south he is moving. So this is my first point. So this is his left and this is his right, and rides 2 kilometers and turns left. Okay, so he turns left and rides 2 kilometers. Okay, so where is his left? His left is here. He and turns again to the right to go riding. Okay, so which direction is he moving? Okay, can anybody tell me which direction is he moving? So this is which direction? This is the south direction. So answer is D, the south direction. Now let us see the 19th sum. What happens in the 19th sum? A man starts from a point, walks 8 kilometers to the north, turns right. Okay, this is the second point, and walks 12 kilometers. Turns left and walks 7 kilometers. And walks 20 kilometers towards the south fourth. Turns right and walks 12 kilometers. Okay. So 19 sum, person is over here. He walks 8 kilometers to the north. Okay. So this is his left. Turns right and walks 12 kilometers to the right. Then this is his left. Turns left and walks 7 kilometers. Turns left and walks 7 kilometers. And walks 20 kilometers towards the south. So he will come back in this direction. Okay. He will come back in this direction, 7. And then he will move 13 kilometers south. Okay. So this is 7. This is 8. 15. So this is 20 kilometers. Okay. So this is 20 kilometers to the south. And where is his left? This is his left. So he turns right and walks 12 kilometers. This is also 12. So he will walk 12 kilometers. Okay, he will walk 12 kilometers. In which direction is he? Okay, so he's here now. This is also 12. This is also 12 kilometers. Which direction is he from the starting point? From the starting point, which direction is this? This is the south direction. So which is the answer? B will be the answer. Okay, so he will be here. Okay, some sums I have shown you. The sums I have put in very together, because in the exam also, you will not have much of place. So I have even shown you in a smaller place how you can do the sums. And for your understanding, for these sums I have taken bigger place and shown you how it is going to happen. Okay. Now this is a very important question. Daily in the morning, the shadow of Gol Gumbaz. Just a minute. I think you're not able to see the question, right? So let me just shift it a little below. Okay. Now you'll be able to see it. Now you can see it? Yeah, good. Daily in the morning, the shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Bara Kaman, and in the evening, the shadow of Bara Kaman falls on the Gol Gumbaz exactly. So in which direction is Gol Gumbaz to Bara Kaman? Now what is happening? There are two monuments. Gol Gumbaz is a historical monument and Bara Kaman is also an historical monument. So what happens is these are two buildings. Okay, these are two buildings. Now the shadow of one falls on the other. Shadow of one falls on the other. So that means they must be in the east-west direction. Okay, so what is the possibility? Okay, what is the possibility? Possibility is that Gol Gumbaz is here and Bara Kaman is here, or Bara Kaman is here and Gol Gumbaz is here. Which is this direction? This is my east and this is my west. This is my east and this is my west. So these are the two possibilities. Now what they are saying, daily in the morning, the shadow of the Gol Gumbaz falls on the Bara Kaman. So my sun is here. My sun is here. So they are saying that the shadow of Gol Gumbaz falls on Bara Kaman. So that is why this was the correct one. This is not. Why? Because sun is over here. It will fall on the Gol Gumbaz and the shadow will fall here. Okay. So in which direction is the Gol Gumbaz to the Bara Kaman? In which direction is the Gol Gumbaz to the Bara Kaman? So here we have the Bara Kaman. We have the Bara Kaman and this is the Gol Gumbaz. Which direction is this? This is the eastern direction. Okay. So we had this two options. In the first option, Bara Kaman shadow will fall on the Gol Gumbaz in the morning. But that is not the case. They are saying in the morning, Gol Gumbaz shadow will fall on the Bara Kaman, and that is why this is the case. Okay. Now let us take the 21st one. Let us take the 21st one. Ashok went 8 kilometers to the south. Okay, this is my south direction. Turned west, west is this direction, and walked 3 kilometers. After which he again turned north and walked 5 kilometers. He took a final turn to the east and walked 3 kilometers. So this is also 3, and so he is walking here, this direction, 3 kilometers. In which direction was Ashok from the starting point? Okay, this is his starting point. And where is he now? He's here. Okay, he's here. So which direction is this? In which direction was he from the starting point? This direction is the south direction. So this answer will be south. Okay. Okay. So X stands on his head. So he's doing Shirshasana. So he's standing on his head with his face towards the south. Okay. So here I have shown you this person, which is this direction he's facing. This is his south. This is south. So obviously this will be north. Okay. Which is this? So this is his left hand. So if this is south, this is north, this will be west, and this will be east. Okay. His head is facing the south. So then this will be west, this will be north, and this will be east. So if X stands on his head facing south, to which direction will his left hand be? This is his left hand. And which direction is this? That is west. Okay. So 22, you will have B as the correct answer. Now let us move to 23rd. Okay, you can see, if you imagine this type of photo, then you will be able to find the answer easily. Or you can even think of yourself, you are doing that yoga position, and then you will be able to know which direction you are. Okay. So now 23rd. I drove 5 east 5 miles. I drove east 5 miles. Then drove north 3 miles. This is my north, 3 miles. Then turned to my left. So now this is again left and right. So then turned to my left and drove 2 miles. Okay. So 2 miles to the left. So again I'm here, and again I turn to my left. Which direction am I going now? Which direction am I going now? This direction. Which is this direction? This is the south direction. They are not asking with reference to the starting point. Okay, just be careful. The question may come with reference to the starting point or general in which direction I'm going. For this, they're just asking in generally where, in which direction I'm going. So I'm going in the south direction. Okay. Now this sum is similar to the earlier one. Okay, this sum is similar to the earlier one. Now what is happening over here is he is facing his north. This is my north. Okay, if this is north, this will be his south. And what is happening? This is south, then this has to be west, and this has to be east. Okay, we are moving in the clockwise direction. So this is this is his left hand. So left hand is pointing towards the east. Okay. A car traveling from south, 25th sum, car traveling from south covers a distance of 8 kilometers. Now important word here is from south. It is not saying towards south. It is saying from south. So from south, it is moving to the north. So from south, it moves to the 8 kilometers. Then this is his left. So then he turns right and runs another 9 kilometers. So 9 kilometers to the right. Then this is my left. Then turns right and was stopped. Which direction is he facing? He's facing which direction? Which is this direction? This is the south direction. Okay. So you can see how these questions move. Okay. Again with this sum also, I will just shift the PPT a little down so that you are able to see it properly. Just a minute. Okay. So a taxi driver commences his journey from a point and drove 10 kilometers to the north. He drove from here. He moved 10 kilometers towards the north. Okay. And this is his left. He turned towards his left and drove 5 kilometers. Okay. He drove towards the left and drove 5 kilometers. So here, this is his left and drove 5 kilometers. After waiting to meet a friend here, he turned to his right and continued to drive another 10 kilometers. So continued to drive another 10 kilometers. Again, this is his left. He covered a distance of 25. So this is 10. Okay, so this is 10. And this is 10, this is 5, and this is 20. So how much kilometers has he driven? 25 kilometers. But in which direction would he be now? Okay, they're asking in which direction would he be now? Which is this direction? This is my north. So answer will be B, north direction. Okay. A walks 3 kilometers northwards. A walks 3 kilometers. Okay. This is not straight line. So I will change it. Okay, so A is over here. He walks 3 kilometers to the north. Okay. And here, this is his left and goes 2 kilometers to the left. So 2 kilometers to the left. Here, his left is there. He again turns left and goes 3 kilometers. So again turns left and goes 3 kilometers. Okay. Here, this is his left. Again, he goes right. He turns right and walks straight. He turns right and walks straight. So which direction is he moving? This direction. This direction is what? This is the west direction. Which is the option? B will be the correct option. Okay. Now let us go to 29 sum. I hope you've understood till here. Second once again. Okay. Mohammed, yes. Okay. Can you see now, Mansi, Divyashri, Diyashri? Yes? Okay. Okay, you saw this? I will repeat from here. 20-second you wanted? Okay. See, here what is happening in 20-second? This person's head is in the south direction. Okay. So his face is towards the south. When this is your south direction, when this is your, okay, 20-second. So when this is your south direction, what is happening? This is your south. Then this will be your west. This will be your north. And then this will be your east. And which is this? This is his left hand. So which left hand is in which direction? They are asking the question, left hand is in which direction? It is in the west direction. Okay. Now let us go from here. 26 and 27. I will take it up again. You can see the screen. Okay. Okay, 26. A taxi driver commenced his journey from a point and drove 10 kilometers to the north. He is standing over here. He is going 10 kilometers to the north. Okay, 10 kilometers to the north and then turn to his left. So this is his left. He turns to the left and goes how much? He drove 5 kilometers. Okay, to the left. After waiting to meet his friend there, he turned to his right. So this is his left and this is his right. So he turned to his right and continued for another 10 kilometers. Okay. Now what they're saying is he covered this 25-kilometer distance. This 10, this 5 and this 10. But which direction is he now? He is in the north direction. 27. A walks 3 kilometers northward. Okay, A walks 3 kilometers northward. And then he turns left. Okay, so this is his left. He turns left and goes 2 kilometers. He again turns left. Okay, so he is again here. This is his left. He goes left and goes 3 kilometers. Okay, this is his left. Now he walks toward, he turns right and walks straight. It turns right and walks straight. Which direction is this? This is the west. Okay. 28th Psalm. A walks southwards. A walks southwards. So this is his left. He turns right. So he turns right. Okay. Now again, this is his left. Then left. Okay. So A walks southward. He turns right and then left. Okay. And then right. So this is his left and then right. Okay. Just a minute. A walks southwards. Okay, so here you have A. He walks southwards. When he's walking southward, this is his left and this is his right. He turns right. Okay, he turns right. Then left and then right. Okay, so this is the first southward he has talked. He walks southward. We did that. Then he turns right. We have done that. Then again left. Okay, so this is his left. He turns left and then right. Okay. then left, and then right. So this is left and then right. So which direction is he from the pointing? So this is the south direction. Now 29th. A man starts from a point and walks 15 meters towards the east. So he is standing over here and is walking 15 kilometers towards the east. Then turns left and walks 10 kilometers. So he's turning left and walking 10 kilometers. So again here he is at left. Turns right. He turns right and walks towards which direction is he walking? He is walking towards the east direction, right? He is walking towards the east direction, right? Now, a boy starts walking towards the west. After a while, he turns right. So, a boy starts walking towards the west. So, which direction is west? This. And he's walking like this. So, left is here. And after a while, he turns right. So, he's turning right. And after walking for another 20 minutes, towards which direction is he moving now? Okay, which direction is he moving now? This direction is the north direction. I stand with my right hand extended sideways towards the south. So I've taken this picture. So which is this? I'll just change the color of the pen. Okay. So this is south. If this is south, if my right hand is to the south, my left hand will be towards the north. This my left hand will be towards the north. Okay. So if this is south, this is north. What will happen over here? This back side will be west and the front side will be east. Okay. So towards which direction will his back be? It will be towards the west direction. Is that clear? Yes? If a person moves 8 kilometers towards west, if a person moves 4 kilometers towards west, so this is his left, and then turns right and moves 3 kilometers. So here, this is his left, and then turns right. So he writes and moves 6 kilometers. So this is 6 kilometers. Which direction is he moving now? He is moving now in which direction? He is moving now. This is my east direction. This is my east direction. Okay. So it will be A, east direction. If Mohan sees the rising sun behind the temple and the setting sun behind the railway station from his house, so you know that this is Mohan. There is a temple, rising sun behind the temple. This is Mohan. So, this is the east for Mohan and this is the west for Mohan. This is Mohan's house. Okay. This is the east direction. So the temple, rising sun is here. When the sun is coming from behind the temple, so he is able to see. And setting of the sun, railway station, okay. From his house. In which direction? What is the direction of the temple from the railway station? So this is my railway station. What is the direction of the temple from the railway station? So which direction will you say it is? It is in the east direction. Okay, because this is in the west, this is in the east, and we have the temple here. Why? Because the rising sun is from behind the temple and the setting sun is from behind the railway station. Okay. Last two sums. Lakshman went 15 kilometers to the north. Lakshman went 15 kilometers to the north. Okay. Then he turned west and covered 10 kilometers. Then he turned south and covered 5 kilometers. Finally, turning to east, he covered 10 kilometers. Okay. Finally, turning to the east, he covered 10 kilometers. In which direction is he from the house? In which direction is he from the house? Obviously, his house is here. He is now here. Which direction is this? This is the north. So, which is the option here? C will be the option. C will be the correct option. Now, last sum. A man starts from a point. A man starts from a point. Walks 4 miles to the north, turns to his right. This is his left, so it turns to his right and walks 2 miles. Okay, this is his left. Then turns again to his right and walks 2 miles. Then again to his right and walks 2 miles. In which direction would he be from the starting point? So this is his starting point and he is now here. Which direction is this? This is north. Okay. So 35th A is the correct answer. Okay. So that's all we have for today. Okay. Just let me check what your... Yes, Akashnil, thank you. Not understood 31st, Janish. See, this is Sachin's right hand. Okay, so right hand is towards the south. Then you will see that when you have this case, this is south, west, north, and east. You know this. Now what is happening? I'm just shifting. I'm just writing south here. If I write south here, this will become west, this will become north, this will become east. I'm just turning this as if this is a table and I turn this, and instead of west I have south, and then this whole like the circle will move so that we know that the back of Sachin Tendulkar will be the west direction. Dipanshi? Okay, thank you, Dipanshi. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. The question on the thing earlier chapter, I will take it next time. Okay, don't worry. There are 2-3 questions. So Shiba, I will take it that time. Okay, thank you. Thank you for your patient hearing. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Nisar? Yes, session is over.